Custom synthesis means the exclusive synthesis of compounds on behalf of the customer. You can order a specific molecule that is only synthesized at your request on scale, with the purity and with the specification or methods you require. There is a huge difference between the conditions of custom synthesis on the one hand and catalog chemicals on the other. And there are differences between subcategories of custom synthesis, such as grams versus tons, or CGMP material versus samples for R&D. The final pricing depends on how complicated the process is, the number of synthesis steps, risk profiles, costs of starting materials, and on reagents needed. Added to that are analytical investigations, required documentation, and on special customer-specific requirements. Naturally, the price is also affected by scale, speed, purity, and contract options. In contrast, simple, reproducible, well-documented synthesis of standard chemicals are much cheaper than first-time, multi-step synthesis of novel compounds. The more detailed your request, the better we can custom tailor our quote and service. We normally need the following information: target structure, amount, chemical purity, for example, 95% or 98%, optical purity if applicable, analytical methods for proving identity and purity, special requirements regarding documentation or reporting. If you are unsure what data to request, we will of course assist you in setting the parameters. Despite the fact that the evaluation of every request causes substantial costs to ChiroBlock, we charge no advance fees for quotations. The quotation issued by our experts is based on our internal assessment of routes, risks, resources, and starting materials. The quote gives you the price, the delivery date, and a clear product specification. With our fee for results option, we only charge you something in the case of success, even for risky projects. In such a case, it would be good to share your main goals with us. Together, we will define the appropriate specification options with all the additional conditions. The main costs of a CRO project result from labor, purification, and analytics, but not from the starting materials. Hence, prices do not rise or decline proportionally with target amounts. In most cases, the scale effects are negligible, especially on very small scales from 10 milligrams to 100, or even until 500 milligrams. Once we have established a validated synthesis and you need a regular supply from us, the relative product costs decrease substantially, especially for larger amounts. The requested purity of the respective compound influences the pricing. The higher the percent, the higher the costs. The relation is exponential. There is a big difference between 95% and 99% of proven purity. The reasons are, for example, increased purification processes and the need to use larger amounts of intermediates or other products for purer compounds. Molecular design and synthesis are one of our key competencies. We are very happy to also assist you here. Please indicate at least a frame of requirements in your request. We will try to suggest synthetically accessible target structures to meet your requirements. We have a very high success rate of 95% for our projects based on fee-for-result contracts. It is only in rare cases with unpredictable circumstances that we are forced to cancel an order. We are also aware of the importance of delivery time. It is essential to emphasize its importance when asking for a quote. Sometimes the ultimate success is valued higher than the delivery time. In other instances, compounds simply become useless and worthless when not delivered on time. You will get updated on the progress of your synthesis project on a bi-weekly basis at the minimum. In regards to the scope of the provided documentation, we offer two standard options. The specific needs of our diverse customers vary from no need for any process information to full documentation of all synthesis process steps. Please just indicate what your needs and expectations are, and we are happy to provide you with all the information on the process of synthesis that you need. Even for high-risk projects with uncertain outcomes, the customer only pays if we can deliver the requested compound or result. We cover the full R&D risks, utilizing a combination of our comprehensive experience, proprietary software tools, and our established processes for managing difficult synthesis, providing know-how both internally and externally, and at the same time of the highest quality. Our desire to provide the best service for our customers, plus a passion for synthetic chemistry, make us ever more interested in the successful completion of your projects. We sell results, and not just resources that may or may not result in a solution. Thus, you only pay in the case of a successfully completed project. Because solving synthetic problems is our only and everyday task, we can normally work faster and are hence cheaper than other providers whose business is focused on other areas of expertise. In addition to first-time custom synthesis projects, we offer contract manufacturing of exclusive fine chemicals as well as route scouting services aimed at more efficient routes for your molecules. So, in the case that your first compound sample needs further attention to be developed for large-scale production, we are also happy to assist you.